Hi everyone, we're going to be making buckwheat pancakes. Pancakes are something you could have for breakfast or dinner. My dad used to make them every once in a while. On a Sunday, he would make buckwheat pancakes for a dinner. And so I've got 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to start off with the dry portion. And this is 1 1/4 cups of buckwheat flour. I can't find the buckwheat flour in my grocery store anymore, so I actually ordered mine online. I've added 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar, and I pack that into the measuring spoon. In here I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to whisk this together and I'm going to set it to the side. Traditionally these called for yeast, but there is none in this one. So I have 2 eggs that I've separated. I'm going to put the whites to the side. I have 1 cup of milk, regular milk, in a bowl. I'm going to add my egg yolks to the milk, and I'm going to stir that in. I made a well in the center of the flour, and I'm going to pour in my milk and egg yolk mixture. And we're going to start stirring in the flour. This is 2 tablespoons of salted butter. I'm going to put this to the side now. It's going to be sticky and gooey. Don't worry about that. It'll be okay. I have a cup of buttermilk and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to dissolve that into that. We'll add that to the batter now. And we'll mix it in. I'm going to put this to the side, and I have my 2 egg whites in this bowl. Now, I know there's a lot of steps in this. It's a little bit more than just regular pancakes, but if you get everything measured out, I know I always say this, if you get everything measured out and all ready to go, it will be a lot simpler. I'm going to beat the egg whites until they're stiff, and I did clean my beaters. You don't want to do this with a bunch of food on your beaters. Put this in here carefully. I'm going to fold this in carefully. This is the part that's replacing the yeast in the recipe. This is going to help make it fluffier, so you don't want to break down the egg whites as much as possible. You want to fold it in really nice and slowly. You're going to lightly oil your griddle or your cast iron skillet, and I have it heating up on medium heat, and I'm doing the water test to see if the water is going to bounce around and start disappearing, and it is, so I'm going to go ahead and start the pancakes. I poured in 1/3 cup of pancake batter, and you can make these whatever size you want, of course, and you're going to flip them when they start getting bubbles, and the bubbles are actually starting to pop, and it's starting to look dry on top. So I flipped it. I'm going to go ahead and let it cook a couple minutes so the other side is cooked all the way. So I'm serving mine with some heated peaches and some maple syrup and sausage. It goes really well with all this. And there's my buckwheat pancakes. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching.